I'm Charlie and I'm 6 years old. I'm going to show you how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Alright, shuffle it good.
Scramble this thing up more. Scramble this sucker up. Scramble your sucker up.
Don't say sucker.
Okay.
Alright, I think you're good. Now solve it.
Oh. The first step is to get our weight across, just from that so the point is facing the both sides. Now we can get our right across. So you can bring this down, rotate this over, and flip it right up so we have that piece. Now this is orange, it should be opposite red, but it ain't. So we rotate it down here, rotate it there, and go up. Now we go to our green side, flip it right up. It's in the right spot, but not flipped the right way. So we do F prime U, O prime U prime in the right spot, and it's right. So get this down without messing up this. And do down, sideways, and go up. That's the same thing for the corners. So you move it over, just matched up, go it up. Now we need, and these two corners are actually in already, so we don't have to get them. Next step is get the corners. So find a corner, here's a corner, line it up, do the side run, it's on the bottom. Be on the bottom, the left to the right, so just do that. R prime 2D, RD. Just do this side run now. R prime, D prime, R. Now the corners are into cut. Now that it's in the top, it's not twisted right. So we have to do the side run. R prime, D prime. R, D. Now just do this side. R prime, D prime, R. Now we solve the whole right side and our first layer. So now we to our bottom, find a piece without yellow. Here's one.
Talk
so
louder.
line it up. It's on the left, so we do the side. U, R, U. I messed that up. It goes U prime, O prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Now our ridge is in the right spot and so we need to go. Now this one needs to go over here. So we go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. I messed that up. Sorry about that. Now just go right in there like that. So match it up. U prime, O prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And now just have them merge. We do it again. U prime, O prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. That's another spot. Now we have our dot so we can hold it any way we want to, but perform the side. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have our L. Okay? Hold L in the top left-hand corner and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have our bar. Ignore the corners. We have our bar. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have our cross. Line up one of these edges, okay? So these two are lined up. It could be slanted. It could be like, on the 90-degree angle, or it could be across, okay? It's cross short like this where one's facing you, one's in the back, but this way, I'm going to take away the U and then do this diagram. So these two go over there. Take away the U if they're across. Or U, R prime U, or U to R prime U. You just do like this. Then you'll have the two right here. Now we look for a corner that's in the right spot, but it doesn't have to be oriented. Here's one that's in the right spot. So we do U, R, U prime, O prime, center using step 1. Hold the unsolved corner in the top right, or prime, D prime, or D. Keep doing that till one of the corners is solved. Or prime, D prime, or D. Or prime, D prime, or D. Or prime, D prime, or D. The corner is solved. You notice the bomb's all screwed up, but don't worry about it. Solve, twist that face. Do R prime, D prime, or D. Here we go. R prime, D prime, or D. Solved.
Solved. Let me get a good picture of it.
Now with
Good job.
now you can make cool patterns like this checkerboard right here. Checkerboard. I will make a video on how to make checkerboard pattern and the flowerboard pattern and stuff. So bye.